look at the kind of week that we've had, the stock market is, of course, like Priyanka mentioned, coming off that sluggish week. Then the Dow lost 1.8% last week and has also lost ground in each of the last three outperformed, grinding out a gain of 0.3% for the week. After a broad rally following President-elect Donald Trump's November win, you did have the stock market that appears to have reverted to a narrow tech-led move in the last few days. And in fact, in the last week, that is the kind of move that we saw come. Now, the Federal Reserve is widely expected to cut rates by a 0.25 percentage point. But traders, of course, will be paying close attention even to the kind of updated policy statement and Fed Chair Jerome Powell's press conference for clues about what really comes next. When it comes to the Fed's trajectory, we've had come out in the past month gone by as well. On Monday, you do have investors that will be getting some updated economic data. Speaking of economic data, then with preliminary purchasing managers index readings that are due out before the well as well. So that largely is the kind of handover that we're looking at. Of course, you do have that are on track for a banner year. When you take a look at NASDAQ on a year-to-date basis, 32% is the kind of gains that one has managed to eke out. And even S&P 500, 26% gains coming in for that one. Dow also trailing but still up 16% on a year-to-date basis. So it's been a good year.
Last week was a surprise when it fell by nearly 4 cents, nearly 0.1%. 72.79 is the mark. $72 per barrel is the mark where oil is trading right now. It was up 2% last week at a 3 weeks high, and of course, causing that movement on the front of oil movement. Brent futures rose 1.5% nearly to settle around $75, precisely $74.49 per barrel. But if you talk about gold, silver, in fact, the kind of moves we've seen in crypto, that is remarkable. We've reached, we are nearly $105 or 1.3%, nearly $30.55 per ounce. That's the kind of move we've seen. And yes, let's not forget that bond yield, it's again 7 basis point up. 4.4% is where bond yield, 10-year bond yield is trading at the moment.